Hello everyone, I'm Ella, a middle-aged love coach. I hope you're enjoying a comfortable day. What kind of love do you dream about in middle age? Love can make the heart flutter and bring immense happiness, regardless of age. Sometimes, it brings pain, sadness, and suffering as well. That's why choosing a partner is so crucial. I've prepared a video highlighting what men should definitely consider when choosing a woman. Please watch the video to the end to ensure you have no regrets about your choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. This is about the kind of woman a middle-aged man must absolutely not miss. Gentlemen, if you encounter such a woman as I'm about to describe, you must never let her go for the rest of your life. The world is half men and half women, but truly good women. Good people are rare. Also, if she seems good to me, she might seem good to others too, so while I'm hesitating or disappointing her, someone else might take her away. Men who think there are plenty of women around are likely never to meet a lifelong partner. Even if there's a gem right beside them, they might not recognize it and instead be drawn to other women, who are merely pebbles in comparison. I've seen many men regret only after losing a woman, realizing she was the best. So, what kind of woman should a middle-aged man absolutely not let go of? First, a woman who takes good care of herself, aging gracefully and stylishly. After the age of 40, whether for men or women, you can start to see the difference between those who take care of themselves and those who don't. I'm not talking about cosmetic surgery or injecting fat for appearances. This means consistently caring for one's physique, style, and skin to maintain a bright demeanor and sophistication. As middle age begins and basal metabolic rate decreases, it becomes necessary to reduce food intake. Even those confident in their health may find unexpected issues during health screenings, necessitating health management. Reducing alcohol, being mindful of diet, receiving regular skin care, behaving maturely, and keeping up with style are signs of a woman who takes excellent care of herself. With such a woman, even the most restless man can find a stable life. Passion is important, but so is cherishing comfort in middle age. Second, a woman who can solve her own financial issues and doesn't need a man's economic support. Entering middle age, money becomes the most critical issue, surpassing dreams, goals, or passion. In a world difficult to navigate without money, not just men but also women without financial resources start to center everything around money. Of course, there are women with plenty of money who are still fixated on it. However, this becomes more pronounced in those who are financially insecure and anxious about their future. When meeting men, their primary concern may be whether the man is wealthy, regardless of his personality or character. They seek men who will financially support them, never opening their wallets themselves. Such relationships can be exhausting for men, who feel obliged to act as financial providers. These often end unfavorably. In contrast, a woman who doesn't need a man's financial support values a man for his compatibility, kindness, and potential for a lasting relationship. The dynamics of the relationship change. They date responsibly, spending money considering each other's financial situations, with love being the primary criterion, not money. Finding a self-reliant woman who doesn't view men as a financial resource means a man should hold on tightly. Third, never let go of a woman who is feminine and gentle in nature but also sexually attractive to you. Men often dislike encountering women who become harsh as they age, a change sometimes due to decreasing female hormones. These women can become aggressive and speak carelessly, their desires growing as their modesty fades. Men are fundamentally drawn to women who possess the femininity they lack, feeling both protective and sexually attracted. Fourth, if you meet a beautiful woman whose relationships with men are not complicated, make an active effort to make her yours. A woman who is attractive, takes good care of herself, and has some degree of financial independence will inevitably receive a lot of attention from men. If such a woman responds to your advances, understand that it's natural for men to pursue her. If she doesn't simplify her relationships with men, it can lead to complexity and strife. A woman for all men can hardly be the woman for one man. If she's not clearly into you, act decisively. Fifth, if you find a woman who cooks well, your life expectancy might extend by 10 years. There's a saying that while you can break up with a pretty woman, it's hard to leave one who cooks well. The desire to share delicious meals with someone you love often tops the list of shared activities. As we age, life's pleasures increasingly revolve around food. If the woman by your side is also an excellent cook, consider yourself fortunate for having triple luck and hold on to her for a life of health and happiness at the dinner table. 6. Hold tight to a woman with high self-esteem and a positive mindset. This doesn't mean someone who is arrogant or solely focused on herself but distinguishes from those traits. A woman with high self-esteem does not frivolously engage with just any man or behave cheaply. She knows she's at an age where she must take responsibility for her actions and doesn't whine childishly. A woman with a positive mindset has life wisdom, having overcome difficulties with grace. She will share wisdom during hard times and strive to overcome them with you, making her indispensable in a man's life. 7. If you meet a woman who takes good care of the people around you, hold on to her. You've found a queen of support. You might have experienced situations where a man's value seems to increase because of an impressive woman by his side. Her attentiveness to his family and friends can boost his confidence, improve his social life, and even make work go smoother. It's an added bonus. Don't let go of such a woman. I've shared with you the types of women a middle-aged man should never let go of. Do you have someone like this in your life? If it's your wife, don't disappoint her. Strive to be the best husband for her. The best partners are those who are comfortable to be with and share the same outlook. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a happy day. I'm Ella, your middle-aged romance coach.